So we're going to give you a step-by-step breakdown of the PLATINCOIN exchange process. Here on the screen, you can see 3 language options: Ukrainian, English, and German. We will work in Ukrainian. Press Order Payment, then enter your phone number. Press Continue. The screen will display a QR code that you can scan and print. Press Print Copy of Receipt. You'll be able to scan this receipt or use your phone camera to scan the QR code on the main screen. This action connects the address of the wallet where you would like to transfer coins. For example, you want to transfer 20 PLC. Set commission to 0.001, press Send. Congratulations, your transaction has been successfully sent. Then we need to wait for our 20 PLC to pass through the blockchain and reach the wallet in the cryptomat. Here, our 20 PLC transaction has been processed and we can withdraw money from our cryptomat. We press Withdrawals, input our phone number, press Continue. We receive an SMS with a code, which we enter into the designated field. Press OK. On the screen, our balance is 25 hryvnias. We enter 2,500 and press the confirmation button. Then we take out our money and print a receipt. $25 hryvnias, date, time, receipt number, all of this is indicated on the receipt. Now you will try to purchase PLATINCOIN in this cryptomat. Start by pressing Top Up. We can see a viewfinder window. And now we need to press Receive on our phone. A QR code corresponding to our wallet is created and we show it on the camera. The screen displays the address of the wallet where we would like to transfer PLC. Press OK, then enter our phone number and press Continue. The next step is to deposit a banknote. We deposit 500 hryvnias. The screen displays this sum. The minimum payment is 20 hryvnias. The exchange rate is 160 hryvnias for 1 PLATINCOIN. Press Make Payment. The money is transferred to the wallet. Press Print Receipt. The printed receipt shows that we have deposited 500 hryvnias into the account linked to our phone number. We need to wait for it to reach our wallet. Our money, 3.12 PLC, was transferred to our wallet a minute ago. It's simple. The entire process is very straightforward. Friends, it's all very simple. Exchanging PLATINCOIN is really easy. All you need is a phone with an installed wallet containing some coins. Exchange them for hryvnias. Buy PLATINCOIN, sell PLATINCOIN. Soon, there will be plenty of cryptomats all around the world. PLATINCOIN. The time is now.